have a sleepover.
Where is Dad? He should be driving the car. Last night we had date night with Bonnie and Joel, and Landon wanted to help Joel up at the property today. So he actually, after date night, it was really funny. Landon went back north with Bonnie and Joel, and I drove home. And so Landon is already way up north helping, and we will meet him there. Have you ever heard of an unlimited cereal bar restaurant? And how many times do I buy fun cereal at home? Not a lot. No, so the kids are so excited for this. How is it?
Good.
What kind did you get?
So she told me to combine the double chocolate crave things and s'mores, and it tastes really good.
Cooper got the cookie kind.
I mixed up a bunch of flavors.
That is quite the mixture there. This is a really cute place. Cooper, go put that by the garage. We'll set that up later.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, there we go.
Wow!
You do? It's really, really heavy. Wow, you are strong. This is a fun activity.
Putting beads in her hair.
That's fun. What color beads are you got doing?
doing
You're doing green. Sherry, I love your hair color.
Thank you.
It's so pretty.
You put the bobby pin through that piece of hair. That's your color. And put the bead on it. And then you pull it through. And it looks kind of messy when you pull it through, but it's fine. And then when you do it, you just make sure that I keep the bead to one side because I think it's fine.
Oh dear. Where did you get scissors from, Millie?
Same kind of piece every time.
Yeah.
Hammer.
Exactly, that's what I said. I was like, no, that's what I said. I was like, man, he can swing a hammer.
Not these girls over here doing hair talking about boys.
Millie, hello to me.
We took a little break from the sun, and the girls are in here building bracelets, getting all sorts of ideas.
I like that one. Ooh,
Those are so pretty. Look at all these fun colors. We've done clay beads, we've done rubber band bracelets, we've done lots of different bracelet kits, but these ones are really cute, huh?
I like these ones the best.
Just the four of us.
Just choke. Oh, it's a video, not a picture. Choky.
Yeah, of course.
Well, Bonnie and I have been coming to this burger bar joint since we were these kids' ages. We have been here countless times. Home of the Big Ben.
Best place in Roy.
My man's here! My man's here! I didn't go to bed with my man last night.
Oh, that was so nice of Landon to go help Joel.
Tell me when they cost 76. Okay.
706 pounds?
Okay.
Have you ever been stung by a bee before?
Yep.
You have? So
Just
this is not
barely.
your, oh well yeah, this is your first time. Let me see it. It doesn't look bad, but he says it kills like a bugger. Get some ice on there.
Soaking all the juices.
Can you see yourself in the viewfinder?
Yeah,
That's you! Who are you sitting next to?
but yeah.
Oh yeah. Did you know you were coming today, or was it a surprise?
Surprise.
It was a surprise.
Hello, guys.
Oh, you saying hi to the boys?
All the boys, yeah.
She loves them all. She says, "Where's your baby? Want my baby?
Yeah.
Where is my baby?
Up there.
Should I go get her?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Linda Griffith birthday.
Do you want to hold her?
See if she's still good with her. Yeah.
I think she's trying to get out of your arms now.
I know, my
Gotten
arm.
too big.
My arm.
Smile and say hi.
I like green better. Green better. Wait,
I saw you got Sanya B.
yeah, it's alright.
You two played hard today, huh?
Yeah.
How many times did you go down this slide?
A lot.
A lot.
50.
I think you did more than 50.
Jenny too.
Yikesies. These boys are over here making magic spells. Saying there.
No, we're Harry Potter.
You're Flurry Potter? Smoky Potter? Okay.
Smoky Potter. Pure guy.
Oh my gosh, Julie. Blow it out in the fire.
Like that?
Yes.
Okay, Henry. My 2 5-year-old
Oh,
boys. That's you. Got one. Where's the
I
other one?
got one head.
Where's the other one? Do you have your cookie?
Are you a
I'm
girl?
eating my cookie.
Oh, no.
You ate it?
The cookie was for this. I've got these if anyone needs them.
I need one.
Here, did you go grab a cookie for it?
Hold on, let's
Grab a cookie.
I was sitting there.
No.
Roast it, roast it, roast it.
No way, that's gross. Only roast it if you're gonna eat it.
I dare you to.
Fudge and coconut corn.
Hey!
Fudge and coconut corn.
Wow. You give it leaves.
That
Anybody
right
else
there
like a Girl Scout cookie?
is perfection. You see that?
Your goal.
Careful.
Well, we figured we already smelled like campfire smoke, so why not smell even more smoky? We are going on a little walk to burn off our calories of our marshmallows, and Uncle Joel said, let's go get some fireworks. So let's light more things on fire and get more smoky.
Whoa! He jumped.
Why run?
Who said light it and stay there? There you go.
Oh, good job. Oh, guys, good.
That's so cute. Is that a house? Let me see it.
That's a building.
Oh, it's a building? It's gonna blow up. It's just on fire. Did your house burn on fire? It's supposed to. Lucy, I think yours was better than the other house. Was it supposed to blow up? So are you mad that it didn't blow? Off to church we go, from campfire to sleeping in tents or half in hammocks. How's your lip feeling?
It's better. It looks
Sherry
natural.
woke us up at like 1 o'clock in the morning and was like, I think a bug bit my lip. You were so cute. Don't feel bad.
Do I have to walk to church?
Yes, you have to walk to church. We're all walking to church. Oh my golly, your boots. Stop. Beautiful.
Let's go.
Lucy, when I was your age, I came over here and I thought these were the prettiest white rocks, and I took a rock and the owner came out and got mad at me. I was really sad, and so I thought, okay, I put the rock back and I never came back over here.
So
These
now
are
you're
the
gonna take one 30
These
years
are the
later?
same rocks that I liked, and I took one and got in trouble. I was your age, and I still think about it. Yep. I don't. Is that terrible? No, let's go. We gotta go to church. Have we ever showed you our original house? This is the original Griffith's house. Yeah. I moved into this house when I was 2 weeks old, and it looks very different now. It used to be so pretty. Yep, I have a picture of me right here. I'll insert of me sitting right there with a bunch of flowers and trees. But that was our original house. We even dug up the swing set that we used to have right there.
Down. We're loving. Good girl.
I love this audience that she has.
Down.
Everyone was watching so intently.
Did you do it, good one?
Yeah.
She did it really good.
I missed it.
Do you want me to do it again?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sit. Oh, you, no, okay, sit. Down. Bang.
We were just about to say goodbye, and I've seen this in his hands all day, and I was going to give it back to Boston. Boston, did you want it back?
No.
He said no, I gave it to Cooper, and I remember exchanging toys with my cousins right before we left. That was really nice of you. We are just wrapping up our little mini get-together, and we're gonna head out, say goodbye. Thank you all. Bye. It's always a joy being here, getting together.